Wanyangarika, 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 mtoro wezibiza. Wanyangarika, 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 mtoro wezibiza. Torasire pa Calvary, torasire pa Calvary, Calvary ya Baba. Toro wezibiza. Torasire pa Calvary, torasire pa Calvary, Calvary ya Baba. Toro wezibiza. Handi chauda, handi chauda, handi chauda, mtoro wezibiza. Handi chauda, handi chauda, handi chauda, mtoro wezibiza. Oh, pa Calvary, torasira pa Calvary, Calvary ya Baba. Toro wezibiza. Torasire pa Calvary, torasira pa Calvary, Calvary ya Baba. Toro wezibiza. Handi chauda, handi chauda, handi chauda, mtoro wezibizangu. Jesu, 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 makabate basa.
Now you want to know about why I use this word, each one, teach one, right? I learned that from my old people back home. Right? Because somebody teach us to read, write and do things. What we do, somebody teach us. And we come up now, can teach somebody certain things. So in other words, each one teach one. Because it says, it told me, right? It says, everybody is different, but we're all humans. And we must respect regardless what person you just talk. If they stop us, talk to them. Don't ignore nobody, for we're all human. And that's how I get this word, each one teach one. For what I don't know, you teach me. And what that other person don't know, I teach them. So that's how the word go around.
Jesu makabate basa. Dai musimi tinga dai tiripiko. Jesu makabate basa. You were there for me when no one seemed to care.
We live on Avery Road because it's got quite like a quiet atmosphere, and we like quiet atmospheres. And there's a park nearby where we usually go to.
Actually, about this street, we are actually happy about this street. Actually, we don't have so many disturbances. This street is so quiet, and I love it. And the area as well is so quiet, the Fondru area.
It's like we're in the middle of nowhere. We have no shops. We only have one pub that's on the corner just there. We have a park that's terribly overgrown. There used to be a community centre inside the park, which the council closed it down. And there's nothing for the children. So the kids are just living here. They're scared of walking on the roads because it's dangerous. There's not a lot of people walking about. People, if you don't drive, you can't live here. The good thing about around here is houses are lovely. There's no problem with the houses.
On Murdoch Road, I like living because everyone's friendly. There's a lot of people around here. There's a lot of people my age as well that I can interact with outside when it's hot, mainly. But the only thing is that really upsets the tenants around here is there's no shops or anything like that. That would be convenient at the moment, and because we have to walk a bit further than most people, just need more shops really. But otherwise, it's really good living around here. As I said, everyone's happy around here. No one's not friends with no one. Everyone's okay.
Some people live for a fortune. Some people live just for the fame.
One of the nice things living in Vince Street actually is in a very central position. It's very easy to get to Birmingham from here, West Bromwich, Albury, even, well, it doesn't matter where, it's a central position and the buses are, less than 200 yards away in either direction. So, it's quite nice living there for that reason. I mean, there's other reasons that are nice because it's, as I say, it's off the main road, which makes it fairly quiet, so it's a lot better that way. But over the years, things have changed one hell of a lot round here. As I say, it was more residential years ago with a lot of family ties in the street. But now all that's changed and it's gone to people who, next door neighbours, we don't even know the name. And they've been there for 6-7 months now, haven't they? We've passed about 20 words with them over the period, but they don't understand us and we don't understand them, you see. So one of the big problems with it. But other than that, as I say, it's a nice street to live in.
I want me you, I want me you, I want me you, I want me you.
We live in Vin Street because that's where we could afford cheap accommodation when we could find a big house for our family. And I like staying in this street. It's quiet, really private. People mind their business, really. There are few children playing outside on the road. I think, and it's safe for the children as well, I think.
Yeah, Vin Street is a nice place to live. Friendly neighbours. It's quite quiet, which is alright for me as well.
I like to live in Vin Street because they're big houses and if you see something old in it, you can explore it.
आनी कुड़िए जानी कुड़िए आनी कुड़िए जानी कुड़िए चक ले परात ते लेना वे एक मेरा
I like living Durban Road here because it's nearby doctors and nearby shopping centre, nearby bus stop, nearby school. And I don't like living here because now is all the time, lots of traffic and cars everywhere, and especially night time.
I like living by Devon Road because I get to there are nearby schools, shops, bus stops and many other things. And one thing that I don't like about Devon Road is some of the people, like Auntie said, that they make noise and get up to mischief, which they're not representing Smethwick properly.
Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love.
I live in a Mantiki Road. Yeah, it's very quiet area. I like this area. Yeah.
I like the fact that we have lots of different folk. I like the fact that there's green space and play area for children. And I like the fact that it's a road where there's coming and going. People come and people go, and there's always a freshness about it. I'm not sure there is anything that I don't like about it, actually. Occasionally there may be someone who drives a little too fast, but actually I'm not sure there is anything that I don't like about it. I like it.
Melt the clouds of sin and sadness, drive the dark of doubt away. Give up more to gladness. Fill us with the light. Fill us with the light. Oh, fill us with the light of day.